Hey guys, Sean here. Welcome to another episode of the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. I've got a cool shed behind me that I really want to show you guys. It's a kit set client that has done a mixture of a portal frame and a steelhouse framing, which is awesome to see because he's actually the first client that actually did the both together. So I just want to show you his work and what he's done on the inside, and also just a few features about this shed itself. As you can see at the moment, there's JVO plumbing and draining. So what they are doing here is just doing all the plumbing and the fit out inside the building, but they're also going to connect the stormwater to the drainage at the back of the shed. This is something that you guys will want to think about as a kit set client and also a build client, because connecting the stormwater to the drainage and everything is not something that we do. But yeah, JVO, hit them up, they might be able to help you out in that case. So to start off with, we've got a Newport sectional door here in the front. The whole shed's ebony all over. You can see that with the T-Rib cladding as well, and corrugate on the roof. It's actually quite a steep pitch on this shed. It's a 30-degree pitch for the roof and 2.7 high walls. But if we come around here, I'll show you the awesome joinery that City Glass did. I remember coming to site and actually dropping this off with Pete not too long ago. Something I actually like that the client's done is he's actually gone with tinted windows for his joinery. It really finishes it off nicely with the shed being black all over. It's quite like a slick look. And yeah, I'll show you inside. So when we first come in, you guys are used to this type of structure. This is our steelhouse framing. So this is going to be like the living quarters of the shed, maybe living room, kitchen, and over here, as you can see, the boys from JVO doing their work over there. A nice bedroom, bathroom on this side, little storage for whatever you need, maybe hot water cupboard. But then come back here and check out the portal frame system. So it's awesome to see what the client's done. He's connected the two really well together, and talking to him along the process, he found it really easy to join the two structures together and loved working with the kit set product that Waikato Shed supplied. So if this is something that you guys are looking for or something you might be interested in, flick us a comment below or give us a call or flick us an email. We're more than happy to help you out and point you in the right directions and design something cool like this for you guys. But yeah, catch you on the next episode and have a lovely week.